It's Sarah from TeachKidsToHoop.com, and I'm here in my new backyard in San Diego, which is the beach. So this video is going to show you what to do when you don't feel like hooping, and I want to, just let you know in advance, future tutorials will be filmed with my camera. I just have yet to find it after unpacking. So being an experienced writer has taught me a lot to do, what to do when you experience writer's block. So it translates over into hooping, and you'll see why in just a moment. So when I didn't feel like writing, I would simply start. I would write my name over and over again, maybe 50 times, and then my brain would get into that motion, would get into that flow of writing, and my ideas would kick in, and I'd be good to go. So with hooping, all you have to do is start. Right now I have a 30-inch Polypro from M. Newman Designs. You don't have to do any crazy moves. We're going to do drills. So pick up your hoop and you're going to weave. If you don't feel like hooping, you're just going to weave here and count 30 times. You can go fast or you can go slow. The point is just start. When you've done at least 30, you're going to switch arms. I'm not going to do all 30 for you right here just to save time. But that'll get your body thinking, hey, this is boring. I don't want to just sit here and weave. After you've done 30, your ideas will kick in. You'll be more likely to come up with better combos, and you'll already be starting to hoop. You'll be hooping. So you don't have to come up with a fancy dance right away. All you have to do is pick up your hoop and start. And that is the secret to getting out of a hoop funk or a rut and just getting your flow on, is just to start. So flow just means that you're in the moment. It just means that you're not thinking about what to do next. You won't even realize it, but you'll just be like, oh, I didn't mean to do a hand circle. I was in the middle of weaving. Your body basically takes over once you get started. So the key is to just get started. So anyway, if you like this, I release free videos every week. Make sure you hit that subscribe button up there and check out TeachKidsToHoop.com. Bye.